Module 7, Bezel Installation. The installation and removal of Axiom pilot and brick bezels are covered in this module. The installation and removal of Axiom slammer bezels is covered in the next module.
On the front of the bezel are latches that you need to release to install the bezels. If you depress the lower portion of the latch, it will release the latch and you can lift it, and then on the back side of the latch it will lower the catch that goes into the piece of equipment. On the pilot bezel there are two connectors that connect to the cables coming off the fronts of the pilots. The lower pilot connects to the lower connector, the upper pilot to the upper connector. On the lower edge of the bezel you will see some brackets, and these brackets go into brackets on the pilot rail. So you want to set those onto the pilot first on each side, and then rotate the bezel up into place and lift the latches to allow the brackets to catch on the back side. Then push on the levers to lock them in place, and the bezel's locked in. We have the same type of connection and latch on the brick bezels. In the case of a brick bezel, we have a connector on the far right side which interfaces to a small finger PCB on the right hand side. And again, we're looking for alignment of this. The bezels are designed to self-align on the brick. Again, we want to insert the lower brackets into the lower edge of the brick, rotate the bezel up into place, and press on each side to lock the bezel in place. Again, push the tab to release, lift the levers, rotate down and off.